Welcome to this walkthrough on how to set up order entry for a customer on Datatrac Web. First, open Datatrac Web by pointing your browser to login.datatrac.com. Log in with your credentials, making sure that you have proficient rights to perform these administrative duties. Once logged in, hover your mouse over System Setup, then click on Sites. At the top of the screen, click the Add Site button, then click in the Name field. Here you'll enter a generic name such as Customer-Facing Web OE that can be used for multiple customers. For the site type, drop the menu down and select Customer-Facing. As a service name, again, enter in something generic such as Customer Web OE. For the back office system, drop the menu down and choose the correct selection there, then click the Next button. On this page, we need to set the color theme at the bottom. Then, click on the Shipper Tools tab at the top. Go to the Order Entry section and put a check mark in the Order Entry On-Demand Basic box. When finished, click Create Site. Now, hover over System Setup and choose Roles. And just like we did for adding a new site, we need to click the Add Role button at the top. Now we scroll down and find that site we just created. Click on it and then enter a name for the role. You can make two roles when dealing with customer-facing order entry, one that allows quote access and one that doesn't. In this case, I'm making a Web OE with quote access role. With the name in there, scroll down the screen until you find the Order Permissions section. Then, click on the Request Quotes for Proposed Order permission, click the Add button. Do the same for Submit Orders and Track Orders. With those three permissions added, scroll down and click on Create Role. Now that our site and role have been created, we can create a new user to use each of those. Hover over System Setup. Then click on Users. At the top of the screen, click Add User. Then find the customer-facing Web OE site that we created earlier. Click on it. And now enter in the user's name, along with their email address and password information. The email address and password information here will be used by the customer to log into Datatrac Web. Scroll down to the user address area. These fields aren't required, but if you do enter information in here, it will be useful for the user when they enter orders on the order entry screen. The address will automatically populate the pickup location and can also be used to quickly populate the delivery location if the order is coming back to them. You don't have to enter in every field, but anything you do enter here will be useful to the user as well as the dispatcher and driver for orders that this person enters. With their information in there, scroll to the Retail Order Entry section, select the company number where the orders will go to, then select the customer number where the orders will be billed to. Now scroll to the bottom and under Roles, click on the Web OE Quote Access role, then click the Add button, and then you're finished, so let's do Create User. With our user created, we should probably check and make sure that we got everything configured properly. To do that, go to the top right screen and click on Log Out. Then use the email address and passwords you entered to log in as the new user. If everything worked fine, on the right we'll see Place On-Demand Order. If you click on that, you'll see the order entry screen appear with the billing customer information already selected, along with the user's local information automatically populated as the pickup location. That completes our brief walkthrough. Written instructions for this process can be attained by contacting the support department by email at support@datatrac.com or by phone at 800-827-8722. Thank you and have a great day.